That's it. That's the cave. It's gotta be. Map. See? Turn the map. Rock formation fits with the hill. That cave is his cave.
How do we know he's in there?
I can feel him. Okay, come on. We're gonna move closer, but stealthily, like that of a cheetah. Okay. Oh my God, I can hear him. He's in there. Oh my God. Okay. This is probably the most important wildlife discovery of our time. Now we are gonna chronicle it. Okay. Okay, over there. Cross. Jesus Christ. Okay, set up the camera. Okay, listen up. This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna do an intro, throw announce, and then we're gonna slowly steal inside and catch this amazing creature in his natural habitat, okay? Okay, ready? Oh, remember. Okay, listen. Junior, listen. Do not spook him, okay? He is probably very, very frightened of us. Okay. Okay.
I got sound if you want to go.
Ready? Rolling.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, talking now. Hi, I'm Peter Galkey, and this is Strange Wilderness. Camped here, waiting to film Bigfoot. That's right, you heard me, Bigfoot. Animals have long been known as animals, not human, and have been described as stupid, cowardly, aggressive, dim-witted, low beasts, eager to kill, eager to eat, eager to fornicate, eager to stampede, all. But is it animals we describe, or is it mankind? Huh? Perhaps this Bigfoot creature can bridge the divide between us and them. Perhaps his gentle ways can teach us, remind us that peace and harmony are necessary if mankind is to survive.
Oh, that...
What?
Huh?
Oh, fuck!